Hello students, today we are going to learn the poem Geography Lesson by Zulfikar Bose. The poet wishes to convey through this poem that the illogical grudges and grievances people nurture for each other on the basis of region, whereas geography and nature does not establish such differences. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile then seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. The first stanza, the poet tells us that when the plane took off from the ground and reached to the sky, it became quite clear why the city was developed in a certain way. From that height, the city started to look smaller in size. A mile was reduced to 6 inches on the scale, but whatever looked haphazard, without logic or plan or style, looked inevitable and necessary when viewed from the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the plane reached to the 10,000 feet of the height, the logic of geography was clear to the poet. He could understand why the cities were developed near the rivers, why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography was clear to him that land and water were the reason they attracted man. It was clearly shown when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. The third stanza, the poet tells us that when the plane attains the height of 6 miles, the earth looks round. From that height, it is clear that the earth has more sea than land. However, one question remains unanswered. It is difficult to understand why people hate and kill one another and build the high walls across the cities. Even from that height, the causes behind human hatred remains unclear. Thank you.